Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw another character from the new Pikmin game. I'm going to show you how to draw Ice Pikmin. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know something you would like to learn how to draw. And if you're new here, it would be wonderful if you would subscribe and join us for all of our Daily Doodles. All right, so to draw our little Ice Pikmin, I'm going to start with the eyes. So we're just going to do 2 circles. And I'm going to do a little circle inside those. And I'm going to color that in all dark. All right, now let's do the shape of the head. Okay, like that. Now up here, we're gonna go up, 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 and then come on down. And it's wider here closer to the head and thinner up here. So next we can draw a little leaf like that. And now we can do the shape of the body. Like that. We can do little arms. Do a little hand. And another one. And now we can do some little legs and a little foot. All right, so that's it for our drawing, and now I'm going to start coloring. All right, so we are finished our drawing. Let me know in the comments below how you think it turned out, and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. Also, please leave a like if you liked this video, and I hope to see you back here for our next drawing. All right, everyone, goodbye.